This poem is called Life of Contradiction. I have lived a life of contradiction. I say yes, then say no, then say never. All are right, all are needed. No wrong, no right. Neutral is a down move, yet needed as well. In the changing landscape, contradiction is part of me, as it as it is part of life, all parts working together in perfect harmony. Contradiction. I'm in, I'm out, and in again. Contradiction. Like a rose, beauty in the petals, frequency to ignite the senses, covered in prickly thorns. Contradiction is all around us, yet, just like life, still moves in perfect harmony. Contradiction. It is what it is.